Hey guys, it's time to network and grow our businesses together. I'm hosting a meetup at the Hilton.
Hey guys, you can create an awesome AI avatar following these simple steps. Head over to midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. It will redirect you to creating a Discord account. If you already have a Discord account, skip this part. Fill all the details and complete verification to create your Discord account. Once the account is created, go to Newbie's server. While using it for a first time, it will ask you to accept terms of use. Once you accept, you can start creating. In the text field, type /imagine and press enter, then type the prompt I have given in the description. After writing prompt, press enter and Midjourney will start creating. If you don't like the images generated, click on the loop arrow symbol to rerun it. I rerun it to generate a clean front shot facing the viewer. The U1 to U4 options are to upscale the images you like. V1 to V4 are to make variations based on the image number. I chose V2 to generate variations of the second image. Once you get the good image, upscale the image and download it. For video script, head over to ChatGPT and type the prompt. I chose the business theme, so I asked ChatGPT to write me a script for a woman inviting her coworkers to the business meet. Copy the result you like. Go to elevenslab.io. I have given all the website links in the comments section. Paste the script in the field and choose the gender and type of voice you need. I chose the voice that suits and generated it. You get 10,000 words in a free account. You can use that to create and download the audio. To bring our avatar to life, go to this site Studio DID, click Create Video. To add a custom presenter, click Add button and choose the image you created using Midjourney. On the right-hand side, there is an option called Audio, where you can upload the AI-generated voiceover. After uploading, click Generate Video on the top right corner, which does the magic. Once the video generated, click Download. That's it. Now you have your own AI avatar. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Let's see the video the site generated.
It's time to network and grow our businesses together. I'm hosting a meetup at the Hilton on Friday where we can discuss our latest projects and share ideas. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to connect with like-minded professionals. Let's take our businesses to the next level. RSVP by Wednesday, and I'll see you all there.
Thank you guys. If you're enjoying this content, we'd love for you to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. It helps us create more awesome content and lets us know that you're enjoying what we're putting out. Thanks for being a part of our community.